Hello and welcome. It's Chilli Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Yes, I scraped off a previous pour. I scraped the paint into the centre and saved it. And then, as you've seen, I'm just adding white, and I'm going to use this as my background for this next piece I'm going to do. So it was basically just blowing out all that paint for the kind of wonderful embellishment that I have planned for this piece. So it was actually beautiful colours and movement in just the blowing it out with that little mini dryer. So we'll get on to the next bit and I'll explain as we go along. Now I'm going in with these colours which I think will really make this piece pop. So that is the Montmartre Viridian Green, which I've been using a variation of these colours, and they've in the last week or so, and they've turned out U-Beaut super duper. So I'm going in just with lilac there. So I'm really hoping when I blow these colours out that it will really just make the whole thing pop. But I actually love in that background. It just feels really nice, light and feathery. So that is the Montmartre Deep Purple, which I think it's a gorgeous colour. I often use that to custom colour, make lots of custom colours out of. So that is the gold in their metallic gold, and I'm hoping that this will, really give it a nice old pop in here. So let's see what we can get out of this lovely colour combo. I'll be getting my trusty straw. I don't want to blow these out with a hairdryer because they're sort of smaller puddles, and I'll get a nicer effect where I can control it a little bit better with my little trusty straw. So yeah, blowing out these botanical effects, and boy oh boy, I'm really loving them. Of course I will define them better in a few minutes, but if you haven't tried this blowing out with the straw and using a balloon, it's so rewarding because you can get some fabulously professional looking effects, and it's just a simple tool with a straw and a balloon. Gosh, that colour combo is delicious. Love it, love it, love it. Look at those. They'll look far better than that when I come in to define them with my balloon. But I'm super happy with that colour combo. I was having trouble with the balloon. It had got a hole in. My trusty old deflated balloon. Buy great big bags of balloons, and out of, there might be 50 in a bag, at least 20 are absolutely hopeless. They've already got holes in. I mean, who's going to complain though about a $5 pack of balloons? But quality control seems to have gone out the window. I'm going back in there with some more purple to define them a little bit more. But I really couldn't be happier with that colour combo that I've got there. I just absolutely love it, love it, love it. Now I'll just use my little skewer to just add some nice flimsy bits in there. You don't have to do this. Remember, it's your art, your rules, your way. You put in it what you feel. It's all personal, I guess. There's things that you certainly probably don't like with what I do, but it's, if you're doing it, then you have to do it, how you feel it's correct or incorrect, as often mine is. But you just work with what you've got. Remember, don't take it too seriously. It is only paint. It is only paint. All finitoed at present. So very happy with that. I really am. Hope that you enjoyed it too. Until next time, I will say bye for now. And yes, there is a bonus video after this one, so be sure to hang on and be sure to be sure.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see. I wanna go out on a walk with you. Could be 20 minutes or an hour or two. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. I just wanna go out